We have had a couple of crazy days here in Grand Junction, Colorado. First day, as you saw, a beautiful day going through the National Monument. But then we had a day of rain, we had a day of wind and craziness that way, and now it is absolutely gorgeous blue sky. It's going to be heating up here, so we're going to Breckenridge, where right now it's about 33 degrees. Yeah, so hopefully we might see a little snow. I'm hoping not too much. I want to be able to get out of there. We're only going to be there a couple of days. We're visiting Dawn's cousin, and we'll probably see a few sites while we're there tomorrow. But we're pulling out the day after, heading around the corner, heading toward Colorado Springs. We're going to actually be at Monument, Colorado on that day. Anyways, we got to finish getting packed up. It's a travel day, and we got about 3 hours ahead of us, pending good weather and good roads and no road closures. And we'll see you on the other side. I just have to mention we made it to Breckenridge. Dawn's cousin's house behind us. Very cool. And the coolest point is the view out of this side of our rig. Check this out. Peaks 1 and 2 of the ski resort. So this is our view for the next 2 nights. It's pretty cool. Awesome. Oh yeah.
And it's busted.
I know.
Look at this.
I know, this is so cool.
This is so beautiful. This is why I love Colorado.
Yeah, Colorado. They're expecting a foot of snow tonight. So I'm going to do some research. I don't think I'm going to move the truck. If we have a place that we can get gas or diesel without, while we're towing, I'll just leave this here, easy hookup in 2 days, and we're good to go. So that's it. We are in Breckenridge. Let's see what we can find. Okay, we woke up this morning to a brisk 34 degrees outside. And then a little bit later, it's okay, we're all messy. We had this as our view, and I'm going to go ahead and insert photo here.
A mess.
It dropped down to 24 degrees last night.
Yes, it did.
Good thing the heater's working great. Thanks to a video that I found. Yeah, no, my own video. Sorry, I'm shameless plug.
Yes.
If your heater's not working and you find yourself in this condition, check it out real quick before you freeze to death. Anyways, beautiful, beautiful morning. They claim 94% chance rain today. I don't know where it's coming from, but this is where we are, I guess, driveway camping, because we're not at a campsite. Yeah, Cousin Wendy and Dave's house. Yeah, they're awesome people. We're going to get back inside because it's still chilly out here. I think we finally warmed up to about 36, 37 degrees. So back inside, but yeah, just had to share this. Breckenridge, and we're going to go see the troll. Now, the foot of snow never happened last night. They are expecting rain today, but earlier this morning it was gorgeous blue skies. Keeps getting cold and warm and cold and warm, and now cold again. Just in case you're keeping score. Okay, if I'm huffing and puffing, we are at over 9,000 feet. And I know I normally huff and puff as it is, but gotta suck in the oxygen somehow. So anyways, I've been told that the artist who created this troll has other trolls around the world in various poses and based on the same character. Now this guy is big, hard to tell, so you can put it in perspective. I'll get up to him and Don will take a picture. How's this look? You see? Very cool. Yes, that's where I want to go next. So my question is the shrink wrap part of the art?
I'll have to ask Wendy.
Yeah. What does it mean? I am not sure what this is supposed to be. Not sure what this is, but I got a feeling they just ran out of time before they finished unwrapping it. Oh well.
Yeah, so we're sitting here
In Breckenridge,
waiting for my cousin to come to the
right
site.
across from the Visitor Welcome Center.
Having a chai tea latte.
We had an awesome lunch.
Another husky.
I think the great thing was the oxygen bar. We went and had oxygen, and I do feel a lot better, honestly.
Yeah, it was great. We had a half. Look at that husky.
The husky.
Beautiful.
Well,
So
I don't
many
want to show the
huskies up
person. I
there.
show the husky. I don't want to show the person.
Yeah, beautiful husky. So that was the second one we saw today.
Yeah, the first one. Oh gosh, I wish I had the camera on.
It was so fun.
This guy was on his skateboard, and this husky was running full out.
Yep.
Little male, 3 years old.
3 years old.
And man, he was tearing it up.
Tearing it up. I'm glad the guy could keep on his skateboard
Yeah.
well.
He ran over to us to greet us, and then he quickly got sidetracked again.
Yep.
Typical husky.
Typical husky.
Yep.
So the guy said, "Oh, shiny," instead of "Oh, shiny," it's "Oh, other person, other dog."
Yeah. So, anyways, Breckenridge, cool place. 2 thumbs up. Truthfully, any of these towns, Old Town Frisco, Breckenridge, Keystone. I don't remember what the other place is called. There's 4 of them right here in a valley.
I can't remember. It's a triangle.
Yeah.
Kind of
I
thing.
remember Diamond.
But
Anyways.
yeah, it's really neat and beautiful area. It's a beautiful day.
Absolutely. And
Mountains are
but
exquisite.
just realize, depending where you're from, coming here to visit, we are over almost 10,000 feet in the town of Breckenridge. The top of the mountain is just 5 feet under 13,000 feet to the top.
Right.
Of it. So I've been fighting altitude and oxygen
We both have.
since we got here.
Yeah, we both have.
But that really helped, and actually Wendy is going to let us borrow this oxygenator machine that will pump oxygen into the room
Yeah.
as we sleep tonight. So
That'll be
hopefully
good.
we will get a great night's sleep, fully
Yeah.
oxygenated for the morning. Because last night was tough. It was tough. All right. Well,
Yeah.
she should be getting here soon, and we will
It's so
be
neat 'cause I'm
moving
just looking
on,
around
right?
at all these doggies.
lots of, it's definitely a dog city.
Definitely a dog town.
Dog town, and not a small dog town.
No, they're all big
I have not
puppies.
seen any little yappers, only the big ones. So,
Yeah.
yep. So, but that's about it. We'll
Yeah.
see what else we can get into. So we're done at Breckenridge. This has been a beautiful couple of nights, couple of days, just awesome. The pups are loving it. They have a whole backyard they're allowed to just wander in. There's Atka. Sierra's probably around back eating grass, trying to hide her addiction. Anyways, another beautiful morning. Yep. I don't know how you get used to this view. This is awesome. I mean, you live in a place like this, where do you go for vacation? And really. Anyways, this is awesome. So, thank you, Wendy and Dave. This has been very fun. We'll stay longer next time, promise. And yeah, this has been awesome. So we're going to be heading on to Monument, Colorado, just north of Colorado Springs, south of Castle Rock. We should be there. Well, I got a feeling we're not getting out of here till closer to 11. So it's a good 3-hour drive. So we'll still be there in really, really good time. So that's about it. Let's head off to Monument. Yep, so we're going to end this video here, our Breckenridge adventure.
Yeah.
So don't forget to hit that subscription button.
And hit that bell, let you know when we post every Sunday
at 2. Thumbs up for good measure.
And Facebook. And
have you done Instagram yet?
not yet.
Soon. And soon on the website. Anyways, till next time, see you on the road.
Sláinte.